Do you want to adjust the text positioning in Microsoft Word? If your text is in a text box, you can easily adjust the text rotation with a few simple clicks. And through this video, we would show you exactly how to do that. So firstly, in using your computer, open a document in Microsoft Word, click the Insert tab in the top toolbar, click the text box icon in the text section, select Simple Text Box from the presets, input your text you want to edit, click Shape Format, choose Text Direction in the text section, and select the rotation option you would like, and your text will be rotated. Another way is you can also manually rotate the text to a specific angle. You can do that by clicking the text box, hover your cursor into this arrow, then you can now manually rotate your text. So that's how you can rotate or adjust text in Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.